Hey everyone, I wanted to share my experience with the HyperGo 14301. First off, it feels quite sturdy, like it would take a significant crash to cause any damage at all. Plastics are firm yet forgiving. They added steel and aluminium, which are big bonuses, and the CVDs are massive and complete, and utter overkill in a very good way. The body is beautiful and the Lexan is quite thick for a shell this size, and the molded plastic bits in the front and back add some protection as well as the very thoughtful roof sliders that save the shell a bit. Lights are gimmicky to me. Having the headlights and tail lights flash when turning is a bit too toy, but there's an option to turn them off, so no biggie. The 2 batteries have given my son and I plenty of race time per session. I invested in a balanced charger and I am glad I did. I can't believe the punishment this car can endure and keep on racing. We are newbies, so we crash a lot, but that hasn't been a problem at all. The 70% speed feature on the remote has been very useful in helping us learn how to drive. The car is a lot faster on the more powerful 11-volt batteries. We actually prefer the 7-volt as it is easier to handle. It is pretty squirrely on the drift tires. Again, we are still learning. The tires are very easy to change. The sound it makes when it is tearing around combined with the lights really add to the experience. I highly recommend this thing. It is everything as advertised and then some. The price, quality and speed and durability are basically impossible to beat, even compared to some of the much pricier RCs I own. So this is a no-brainer way to enjoy the hobby without breaking the bank.